Welcome back, students. Let's quickly try to solve this particular question. Two rabbits running towards each other, one from A to B and another from B to A. So there are two rabbits, one at A and another at B. And they cross each other after 1 hour. And the first rabbit reaches B 5/6 hour before the second rabbit reaches A. That means assume there is rabbit 1 and rabbit 2. Okay, and now if rabbit 2 is taking x hours, it is mentioned that the rabbit 1 is taking x minus 5/6 hours. Okay, this is the condition given. Okay, and also let's assume that the speed of the rabbit 1 is s1 and speed of the rabbit is s2. Are you clear until here? So now S1 would become, okay, so let's try to write the equation for S1 and S2 separately. But before that, let's read the question. If the distance between A and B, so it's given that the distance between A and B is 50 kilometers, where one rabbit is moving like this, other rabbit is coming like this. Somewhere it will meet at a point where the time when they meet here is like 1 hour, after 1 hour. Okay, keep this in mind. Now velocity is distance by time, so the equation for this is nothing but 50 by x minus 5/6, and for this it is 50 by x. Are you clear until here? Amazing. Next, as they mentioned that they cross each other after 1 hour, cross after 1 hour, so this crossing will bring the relative speed into picture. Okay, now velocity, the relative velocity is nothing but s1 plus s2. Do you know the reason why? Because both of them are traveling in the opposite directions. So the relative speed is nothing but the sum of these velocities. Now velocity is nothing but distance by time. Now what is the distance? As they are crossing each other, if one rabbit is traveling like this, other rabbit is traveling like this, ultimately both of them effectively traverse the total distance. If this is traveling x kilometers, other would be traveling 50 minus x kilometer, but ultimately the total distance is going to be 50. So distance is 50 by time is nothing but 1 hour. Are you clear until here? Great. Now let's substitute each of these equations s1 and s2 in these equations. Now the velocity would become 50 is equal to 50 by x minus 5/6 plus 50 by x. Let's solve this quadratic equation. Now this equation, so let's quickly calculate this, and 50 50 and all the sides 50 gets cancelled, and I have x plus x minus 5/6 is equal to x plus x into x minus 5/6. Okay, I'm just calculating the LCM of this. I'll bring this LCM to the left hand side, and then I'll do all these things, and I get 2x minus 5/6 is equal to x square minus 5x by 6. Are you clear until here? Great. Now this becomes 12x minus 5 is equal to 6x square minus 5x, and this becomes 6x square minus 17x plus 5 is equal to 0. And then I just split into minus 15x minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. And then I take 3x as common, then 2x minus 5 minus 1 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. And finally it becomes 3x minus 1 and 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Are you clear until here, students? Great. Now x is nothing but 1/3 and 5/2. What is x? X is nothing but 5/3 and 1/2. So I am just writing it here on the left hand side. So x is nothing but 1/3 and 5/2. Okay. Now what is the right answer? Is it 1/3 or 5/2? So if you take the equations that you have, we have the time is x minus 5/6. Okay. So let's say we have one time as x minus 5/6. Can I substitute 1/3 here? No, 1/3 minus 5/6 becomes negative. So time cannot be negative, right? So this is not possible. So we have to take only 5/2, which is the answer. Are you clear until here, students? Great. Now I have 5 by 2. They're asking us to find out the speed of the slower rabbit. Okay, now what is the speed of the slower rabbit? The speed of the slower rabbit is nothing but 50 by x. What is it? 50 by x, because 50 by x minus 5 by 6 is something which is bigger than 50 by x. So I substitute 50 by 5 by 2. Okay, now the speed of the slower rabbit is 50 into 2 by 5. So this becomes 20 kmph. Are you clear? So the answer for this question is 20 kmph. Thank you.